ओफो, इस मिरर में तो कुछ दिखता ही नहीं है। आई विश मेरे पास भी सेलिब्रिटीज की तरह मिरर होता। Wow, it's super amazing. How did you make it?
Let's see that. Keep the mirror on the floor and let's get started. We just need two things to do this. First is LED light strip, generally available in 5 meter length, which should be enough for most of the full length mirrors. You can choose a cool white or warm white color. I prefer warm white as it makes you look really good. You can buy it for 300 to 1200 rupees on Amazon, Flipkart or retail shop. Next we need is a 12 volt DC adapter with 2 ampere or more output. With some LED light strip it is bundled, or you can buy it separately. Also you can use any old one lying at home. I am putting more details and links to buy in description. Do keep a pair of scissors handy, we will need it to cut the LED strip. Most of these strips come with adhesive at the back, which makes it really easy to stick. We will stick it to the innermost part of the frame, starting from the corner which is closest to the power socket. Will make it easy to connect with adapter while installing. Keep pressing it gently. On the corner, leave a slight gap and make sure you're not bending any LED. Just like this, paste on all the sides. Now we will cut it at the closest trim mark. Don't cut it anywhere else as it will lead to few LEDs being non-functional. It's time to connect it to power adapter. Join the red wire to the positive and black to negative or ground. Confused about the polarity? Don't worry. It doesn't harm the LED if you connect it other way around. I'll make a separate video on how to cut join LED strips and connect it to power supply. You will find the link in the description below. See how cool it looks?
Hey guys, if you find the video useful, please like it and do subscribe our channel so that you don't miss out any latest updates.
And do leave a comment below if you want us to pick any specific topic for our next DIY video.
Thank you.